Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you the location of your overflow radiator tank on your 2015 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to pop the hood, and on Jeeps there is no inner latch or cable. There's two hood latches on the external part, and then right in the center here there's a lock latch. Just slide it over to the right, then you have your hood rod. It goes right in this marked hole right there. Here we have the engine coolant reserve tank. That's the overflow tank. Clearly marked front of the driver's side. Pop the lid off. You can look down in. You can also see on the side level, it should be marked with a couple of lines. There's a max and a minimum line. You want, when the engine is cold, you want it down at the minimal amount of fluid with it cold, because it rises as it gets hot. So if you were to check your engine with the engine's been running for an hour or so, the coolant should be closer to the max. Once again, that's the add the coolant in this one. You never want to touch the actual radiator cap if the car has been running. It needs to cool down for a minimal of like an hour and a half. To latch the hood on your Jeep, you just line up those two prongs, put it in your palm, click it over. You've got two hooks on both sides. So bring it up, line it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.